Welcome to Fast Accounts. In this video, we will discuss how to make payments for bills. You have two options to make a payment. Either use the Bills tab or navigate to the Payments tab for a comprehensive list of payments and advanced payment options. Log in and access the Purchases module, then click on Bills. To make a payment for a specific supplier, click on Make Payment, and you will be directed to the payment screen. Supplier details will be auto-filled. From the drop-down menu, select the bank from which you want to make the payment. Input details such as mode, reference number, and date. Enter the amount you want to pay. It will be linked with the bills in ascending order. If you wish to make a payment for a different bill, delete the auto-allocated amounts and enter the desired amount in the payment column for that specific bill. If you need to deduct withholding tax, select the withholding tax rate and enter any applicable discounts. Once all entries are completed and you are ready to proceed, select Save and Close. Now let's see how to make a payment from the Payments tab. Go to the Payments tab. In the Payments tab, you'll find a complete list of payments you have already processed. To create a new payment, click on Add New and select Payment. You will be directed to the payment screen. From the drop-down menu, select the supplier for whom you want to make a payment. Fill in the relevant details as discussed earlier and click Save and Close. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video was helpful.